Analysis gives you two big buttons, and it's a two-stage process. I've just got to ask you to imagine now, supposing you've got an interview that's finished, and you've transcribed it, and that's hard work. Man, is that hard work. Once you've got your interview transcribed, or you've got an article of some kind in a PDF file up on your screen, then we can get to work and load and chunk up the text. Let's see how we do that. Well, it's done for you here for the moment. We're looking at an article which has a title, Strategic Alignment, Leveraging Information Technology for Transforming Organizations. It's a very famous piece. It's by Venkatraman and Henderson, and man, look, it goes back to 1993, but it's what we call seminal work. Here we have a workspace, and when you're loading your own data, this is the place where you pour all of the text of your document or your interview in here on the left, and in a later video we'll see that happening. And then we have to chunk it up, and we divide it into parts on the right hand side there. So over here you see from this one text, you see one of two, we've got three chunks, and we can click through them here. Very crude, very simple. One short one there, one longer one still. We can apply a typing note. We can say this is text, or it's a quotation, or it's a reference to some other work. Let's just avoid some of the complications just now. Equally down here we've got some buttons, and I'm going to ignore those for now, because what you want to see is what do we do with these chunks. Let's go code this interview. Here we have the first of those three chunks. Do you see? 1, 2, 3. And we see here it's got 83 words in it. And over here we've been doing some assignment of categories. And here's, do you remember? We got business, we got technology, and we got strategy. Well, it's all a little bit subjective, isn't it? But that's what qualitative research is. We're now in a situation where we read a sentence. We have been asked on numerous occasions, that's not relevant, which alignment perspective is best. So, hey, we've missed that one. Let's pick up that alignment perspective and pop it. Oh, it is in there, never mind. I'm just showing you how this works. And we can say, let's say this is a strategic issue. There's strategy. And so now we've got alignment perspective is a denotatum. That means it's a couple of words that denote two things. They denote technology on the one hand and strategy on the other hand. It's getting a bit messy this, but we're just playing in order to show you. So all the standard information occurs up there for you, and we can poke around and do the things that we want to do. So that was a quick look at the two main forms involved in the analysis of text. Well, if you're not confused yet, we'll straighten things out a little bit in just a moment, because we're going to look at browsing. Okay.